Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you're not missing any of my videos that I upload. Y'all, I never thought in a million years that I would ever spend over $300 on a wig, but I did, and wow. Y'all, I got my first RPG Show wig. OMG! Today I will be reviewing for you guys this beautiful RPG Show wig that is an Anthony cut style, so let's get right into it. So I have to tell you guys, I did a ton of research before I made this investment because I just wanted to make sure I was doing the right thing. So I watched both sponsored videos and the non-sponsored videos that I could find on YouTube before I made my final decision to invest in this RPG Show wig. I'm going to get into the packaging, but I must say that I did see a video, I don't know who the young lady was, that reviewed a different Anthony cut style from RPG Show, but she complained about the packaging, and honestly, you guys, I think the packaging was absolutely stunning. If you can give me a beautiful drawstring bag in addition to the actual packaging, I will take that over some flimsy lashes any day. So like I said, the YouTuber that I watched, she complained that she didn't get the lashes and the headbands or whatever it is that comes with other wigs that you order from different companies. But honestly, I think that RPG Show nailed it with the packaging. I think it's super sleek. Like I said, look at this beautiful drawstring bag that it comes in. And then you have the beautiful box. Super sleek. The minute I opened this drawstring bag and saw this box, I was just so happy because I've been watching these videos for so long and I just was not sure if I could ever spend that much money on a wig, and I did, and I'm super pleased. Okay, so back to the packaging. I showed you guys the drawstring bag and obviously the box. On the inside of the box, you're going to have your wig caps. It came with two, and you actually get the choice of what color wig cap that you would like when you place your order. And then obviously this is going to be the net that your wig comes in, but it was beautifully packaged in this tissue paper with the RPG Show logo, and I loved it. I don't understand why that one YouTuber complained about the packaging because I thought it was stunning. Okay, moving on the inside, you'll basically get what you ordered here in this envelope, super sleek and beautiful. It says, "Thank you for supporting us. This unit was made with love and we hope it brings beauty and light into your life, Yolanda." I love it so much. And the other piece of paper that is also in this is just basically my order information, and I'll go through that with you guys now. So I ordered the Anthony Cuts 036. My texture is going to be silky. My length is going to be 14 inch. I got the natural hair color. My cap size is a cap size 1. Cap construction is going to be cap B, which is a glueless lace front. I got the standard density, you guys. This isn't even the 200 density. This is the standard density, which is 130%. My lace color, I went with the tinted transparent Swiss lace in medium brown. So that is it on the front, and then on the back it's going to be the RPG Show return and exchange policy. And for those of you who have never ordered an RPG Show wig before, I'll run through this really quickly. RPG Show supports returns made within 7 days. Please make sure that the wig has not been used or damaged, the lace has not been cut, tampered, or altered. Product exchanges are provided free of charge, and the customer is only responsible for shipping the product for return. So just be prepared and know if you do have an issue with RPG Show, customer service is amazing, you guys. If you need to return it, you will need to be prepared to pay for your own shipping to get the wig back to them. For other returns, depending on the situation, customer service will assess if there are any return fees and communicate all details with the customer. So, and then on the bottom of that, it just gives you the instructions if you need to return your wig. Also in your box, you're going to get this amazing RPG Show wig bag. It's kind of like a garment bag before a wig. Honestly, give me a bag or a drawstring bag any day over some flimsy lashes. I'm telling you, I would much rather have this this. Also in your box, you're going to get an RPG Show hairstylist lookbook. This lookbook is basically going to show you different stylists that are teamed up with RPG Show. There's so many different ones here, and of course, Anthony Cuts is the stylist who styled this unit that I'm wearing. I absolutely love all of his styles that are on the RPG site, so I will definitely be ordering more. You also have Touch by Tim, Fatima Danielle, Katie Bloom. There's so many different stylists. And then there's also celebrities who wear RPG Show wigs. There's Taraji Henson, you've got Winnie Harlow, Seven, Kaylani, Mary J. Blige, Keke Palmer, Gabby Douglas. So as you can see, there are a number of celebrities that rock RPG Show wigs that are styled by celebrity stylists. So I'm super happy that I am now a part of the RPG Show family as well. So that is going to be your packaging, and I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's fantastic. So 10s across the board for the packaging. Let's move on to the wig cap construction. The wig cap construction is phenomenal, you guys. I love the fact that my wig comes with an elastic band. It makes my wig fit nice and flat. You guys know I've had so many issues with other wig companies where the wigs are way too big for my head, and RPG Show fits perfectly. Like I said, I got the cap size 1, so I have an elastic band, and I have the adjustable straps in the wig, which I haven't even adjusted, so I'm sure I could get this wig to fit even tighter once I do that. The wig also comes with combs in the front and the back, which you'll see when I style the wig, so that is going to be the wig cap construction. It's very nice quality, and it's very well made. Now let's get right into the pros and the cons of this wig. Pros: this wig is going to be a perfect fit. It has beautiful cap construction. It comes with an elastic band already attached, like I said, so you don't have to worry about sewing anything in. The parting space is amazing. You get 6 inches of parting space. The hair is super soft, and honestly, you guys, when I first tried this wig on, I felt so beautiful. After I washed and conditioned the wig, there was absolutely no tangling and maybe like a couple of strands of shedding, but hey, all hair sheds. Like I mentioned before, this wig can also be worn glueless. It flat irons like a dream. Overall, the wig is just perfect. Now let's get on to the cons. You guys, I'm not even joking with you. I spent my own money on this wig. This video is not sponsored in any way, and I honestly don't have any cons. It was perfect when it arrived. It was perfect when I washed it. It air dried beautifully, and it styled beautifully. I honestly think this is a great wig for beginners as well. So I don't have any cons as of now. If you guys want me to do a update on this wig, just leave me a comment below and let me know, because as of now, I don't have any cons whatsoever. This wig is absolutely stunning. I started out with a cute and simple but still trendy style for it being my first RPG Show wig, so I didn't have like the fancy curls. I didn't go super long or anything. I literally have 0 cons. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. From placing the order to receiving to the customer service, everything was absolutely phenomenal. This wig is definitely worth the investment, and I've already ordered my next wig, which will actually be a fitness wig that I will be reviewing when it arrives. I'll be leaving a link to this exact unit that I'm wearing, in addition to a couple of discount codes below. Leave me a comment and let me know what unit I should try next as far as styles go, you guys. I'm really thinking about bringing back the bangs, so let me know what you guys think. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, turn on those post notifications, you guys, so you're not missing any of my uploads. If you'd like to see how I styled my RPG Show Anthony Cuts lace front wig, keep on watching.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust how I feel.